Hey, big shout out to Evan Cree, aka Trap Tendo. You playing the guitar, man. Alright, we're just gonna start it off. Basically, here to say that you do not need Riffer, you don't need a fucking melody sauce to really create your melodies. There's a melody machine right in FL Studio. And the way you get to it is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna right click here. I'm gonna go to the piano roll, and then I'm gonna go into this caret all the way to the left. I'm gonna go into the tools section, and you're gonna see a riff machine. And look at that, already starts. Now the cool part is, yeah, it just started right away. Okay, well that's cool, but I want to go back. And I want to start to change that. So I can throw the dice. I'll throw the dice again. So the thing that you may ask yourself is that, hey, well, that's great and all, but how do I get my key like the other devices do, like Riffer or Melody Sauce? Well, that's all in there. So I'm going to go back to the riffing machine. And here you go. Look, key, E, and look at that. You got all your scales. Look at this shit. Maybe I want 7 sus. Fucking minor, major, sus. I'll do minor. I'll accept that. Fucking dope, right?